Time now is 6:34, and a candidate running for Mercer Island City Council has been cleared of wrongdoing in connection to the removal of more than 140 trees in Issaquah. Hsieh was among several people named in a $7 million lawsuit from King County. The county claims homeowners living above Grand Ridge Park illegally cut down 142 trees to improve their views. But Hsieh maintained neither she nor her parents, who owns one of the homes, had any involvement in removing the trees. Neighbors later came forward to confirm that.